SB19 fans dropped 26 million votes in just 12 hours to win quarterfinals of Billboard Fan Army 2024. We made it through. From kinakabahan na tila ba'y wala ng pag-asa to actually winning the quarterfinals of Billboard Fan Army Face Off 2024. Imagine sa last day of quarterfinals at 12 noon ay mayroon lang tayong 43.1% with a gap of more than 22 million votes in favor of Dua Lipa. This means na kailangan nating magbagsak ng sobrang 22 million votes para maipanalo ang quarterfinals. And we did just that dahil on the last minute of voting ay umabot tayo sa 51%. So in just 12 hours ay nakaya nating magbagsak ng more than 26 million votes. Ang lakas ng 18. Yung tipong nagbe-breakdown na tayo sa kaba and yet we have broken our own voting records by achieving more than 263 million votes from round 1 to quarterfinals kumpara sa 43 million votes na ibinagsak natin last year after winning the Billboard Fan Army Face Off 2023. Kung ang SB19 ay breaking barriers through their music, ang 18 naman ay breaking records through our votes.